Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can game share on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here, as you can see guys, if you click on the game library, you're gonna find a list that includes all of the games and applications that you have. Right here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find your games, media. Here you're gonna find search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, if you want to game share on your PlayStation 5, it's pretty easy. Just go ahead and click on the share button on your controller. And then once you do that right here, you're gonna find save recent gameplay. You're gonna find the option to take a screenshot. From here, you can start a new recording. And here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find broadcast. And here you're gonna find share screen. So basically guys, if you want to game share on your PlayStation 5, make sure you're playing a game and you're in a party, and then go ahead and click on share screen. Then as you can see guys, from here you can start your screen share. So once you share your screen, your friends are going to be able to join your screen share, and you can also let them play the game you're currently playing. If you want to stop the share screen, just go ahead and click on stop right here. And you can also, as you can see guys, leave the party directly. So I'm gonna click on yes. And as you can see guys, this is how you can do it. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.